Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. Today we're going to take a look at this 2012 Aprilia Tuono V4R APRC with 4,399 miles. Powered by a 999cc V4 engine with a 6-speed transmission, the Tuono puts out 167 horsepower at 11,500 RPM and 82 foot-pounds of torque at 9,500 RPM. It has a seat height of 32.9 inches and a dry weight of 403 pounds. This bike comes equipped with Aprilia wheelie control, traction control, launch control, and quick shift. Rather than describing any cosmetic flaws, which can be very subjective, we have taken this high-resolution video so that you can get an exact representation of what this vehicle looks like in real life. Our goal is to provide you the ability to virtually walk around and inspect it as if you were here in person. Please take the time to watch the entire video. If you have any questions about this vehicle, our sales team can be reached at the number provided at the end of the video. They will be happy to assist you in any way they can. This vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and comes with a 90-day nationwide warranty. We have also purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. You can view this report by clicking on the link on the right side of the video.